It's so good here. My daughter wants to come. What a lovely garden. The staff are wonderful. Everybody's very happy. I enjoy doing watercolours. I've got two zebras here showing their yellow teeth. I think I could do with a toothbrush. And I'm doing a portrait of my little dog, Pepsi.
You can have a bit of fun and a laugh and pluck somebody if you want.
It's great fun.
I'll leave you to it.
Okay, lovely.
That was a fluke, because I was aiming for there. A bit of exercise on your arms, a bit of fun.
And it's only 2 minutes away from the betting shop.